I'm sure you've heard the news. Magic, adventure, and heroics all rolled into one enchanting tale. Once upon a time, in a land of fairy tales, 6-year-old Camilla, her 4-year-old sister Isabella, and their 3-year-old cousin Carlos discovered a magical world. Camilla touched a sparkling stream and pulled out a golden key. This enchanted key opened the castle door to Princess Farana. "Hello, little heroes. I need your help," said Farana. "The king has been kidnapped by an evil queen." "Oh no," cried Camilla. Princess Isabella tried her magic wand, but the queen was too strong. Even Carlos with his super prince powers couldn't stop her. But clever Camilla had a plan. "The queen hates dragons," she whispered. Isabella said the magic words, "Abracadabra, make it happen, make a dragon appear." The dragon roared, and the queen ran away in fear. Camilla used the key to free the king. "I'm free!" "Thank you," he exclaimed. "Well done, fairy tale superheroes. You saved the fairy tale world." Hooray for Camilla, Isabella, and Carlos. Mission accomplished.